How to add subtitles to YouTube videos online. First of all, it depends if we are the creator of the video or are we just the community and we want to help the creator and add subtitles in our own language. So let's start from the first case. We are the creator of the video. So to add subtitles, all we need to do is log into our account and then click on our avatar picture and go to YouTube Studio Beta. After we get to YouTube Studio Beta, we need to find the video where we want to add subtitles. To do that, we can go to Videos and then click on the video where we want to add subtitles. Let's say I'm gonna add subtitles to Buddha Park video, so I'm gonna click on the title. And right now we are in the settings of the video. So to add subtitles to this video, on the left side, we need to choose transcriptions. After we get to transcriptions, as you can see, we've got some information about the language, about the title and description, and over here we've got subtitles. But as you can see, this one is Polish, so if we want to add, for example, English subtitles, we can click down here, Add Language, and then we can choose the language in which we want to add subtitles. So let's say I'm gonna add English, I'm gonna choose English. We can add English title and description by clicking here, or subtitles by clicking here. So I'm gonna click here. A new tab will be opened. And as you can see, it looks like this. Here we can either upload a file, we could transcribe and auto-sync. However, this is only available for original video language. Or we can just simply click Create New Subtitles. So we do this. As soon as we do this, we will be transferred to a view like this. And over here, everything is super easy. So let's say we want to add some subtitle in the second second of a video. How to do that? Of course, we can play the video until the second second, or we can simply click over here. And as we click over here, this starts from the second till the third second. As you can see over here, it shows as Enter Subtitle. So I'm just gonna write this is first subtitle. Then we can click down here, it is from the 5th to 7th second, and we can enter our second subtitle. And so on. We can of course click on the next and next and add more subtitles if we want. We can of course edit the times that are showed here. Let's say we want the first subtitle to be a little bit longer. So we've got two ways of doing that. First of all, as you can see here, we can move this to any place we want when we already added subtitles. We can also expand it so it will be longer. So now it will be from around 2nd till 5th second. And then around the 6th second, the second subtitle will show up. We can simply move the subtitles, add new ones if you want. It's super easy. Let's say I'm gonna add in the beginning, hello. And after we add all the subtitles we need, we can simply click Publish. And as soon as we do this, the subtitles are already published for our video. We may need to wait a few seconds to see the changes. Let's go back and let's see our video on YouTube to check if there are really English subtitles added. As you can see, it showed hello, this is the first subtitle. In the 6th second, enter our second subtitle. So as you can see, this is the easiest way to add subtitles to our video. Now, this is how we add subtitles to our own video. However, we can encourage our community to create subtitles for us. How to enable that? First of all, when we go back to the view of our transcriptions on our video, down here we've got community contributions. So if we want to enable it for our community to add subtitles, we just click here and choose on for this video. This will allow our community to create the subtitles. Of course, we can review them and approve or decline them. If we go back to the main videos view, we can also select several videos, and then over here we can choose community contributions, and after that we can choose on or off, depends if we want community to be able to create subtitles for us or not. Another thing we could do is from the menu on the left side, once we are in the main video view, choose transcriptions. And after we go to transcriptions, from the tabs over here we choose community, and then we need to turn this option on. And here we need to choose what language we mostly use in our videos. So if it's English, we would choose English. If it's Chinese, we choose Chinese, etc. And then Google will automatically use its algorithm to add automatic subtitles in the language that we use in our videos. So that's it for today. Remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.